Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been like a month that we've been off, but honestly I've just been not making updates because I've been stuck working on this. This is one of our local guys' cars, his BAS4 that he blew the engine on, which the supercharger went bad and ended up destroying everything else. But look at, check this out. Super clean B8S4. I can't really do much right now because, as you can see, everything's out, subframe's out. We're waiting on a few things like the downpipes that have been on back order. I don't know what's going on with them. It's like literally been a month here at my house, so we really haven't got much done on anything else. But now I've been meaning to tell you guys we got some boost. So we're running 14 pounds for right now just to get our curbs right, like our fueling and stuff. But ETS specs been coming through, Blake's been coming through, and it's been going on pretty good. So we're gonna give you guys a couple pulls, see if you guys think it's worth it to go single turbo, a little bit of maybe drive-bys, and just show you guys a little bit of overviews. I'll tell you guys a little bit of goods and the bads. It's a gradual boost curve, so it's boost by RPM. That's the only thing that is a little different than just full on boost at one single time. So yeah, show you guys right now. Gonna go pick up one of my friends right now, or maybe my brother, to go with me to go record. Our batteries are dying on our GoPro, but we got some charging. I'll give you guys an update as soon as we're out on the road doing some pulls and some drive-bys, so you guys could hear the sound, and hopefully you guys like it.
Alright guys, we're doing some quick pulls in Mexico. See how this thing runs, single turbo. See how this goes.
Alright guys, what'd you guys think on those pulls? Like, comment, see what you thought. I want to see everybody's input, good input, bad input, whatever you guys think. I don't really care. So since then, it's been another 3 weeks. I was still waiting on parts for this thing, so in total this car has been in my possession for 6 weeks. Nothing has been done until today. Well, we had a little meet with everybody at Reagan Beach. It's a local beach to us. I don't know if you guys are familiar with South Lake Tahoe, California, but Wednesday we threw a meet there and everybody came out. We have a couple footage that we'll go into right now.
I think we should rule out commitment for now, 'cause on my own ways, I can't blame you, no. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my own ways, I can't blame you, no.
So I hope you guys liked that little walk around that we did at the Reagan Beach meet. And also Lake 2O was fuego this year. It got a little crazy Saturday night. People did some stupid things and kind of ruined it, you know. But next year is always next year. Reputation's still up, and fuck it, we're still going. So check it out. This thing right here is in. This is the new used engine, supposedly 50,000 miles, compression checked, and all this blah blah blah. Well, we have plans to finish this car, but after this, our plans is to give you guys update on our cars, because we've been lagging because of this car. It's just been taking up all this time. I have turbos on one of my buddy Victor Casian's car. We'll put up a picture right here, and so you guys can see it. He calls it the orange because it's fucking orange B5 S4. So we're doing a full stage 3 on that one. ETS spec is gonna help us out with the tune, and hopefully we'll give you guys some B5 content. We're big B5ers, B6ers, B7. We're just Audi guys, car guys all around. My brother-in-law got a Corvette, and yeah, we might have some fun with that car, and we might do some pulls with some other cars further on. If you guys like the channel, like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends, look us up on Instagram, and we are very active, so let us know if you need any questions or any help, and see you later.